niggas tryna talk in the strip club. Shorty silhouette look like a dollar sign. Caught up. That's just how.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Mia, and I'm back with another video. So today, we're gonna be doing a high top knot bun, whatever you wanna call it. We're gonna do it, and my hair is kind of like, well, it was flat iron, but I kind of like put it up and stuff. So now it's not flat iron because I add gel and stuff to the front. But first, what I do is I usually section my hair off into 2 parts. So it won't be hard, but you can do it in 1 part. It doesn't really matter. It all depends on what you want. So first, I grabbed my gel. This was like $16 or $20 at the hair store. I don't remember which one, but yeah. And this one is the black castor oil. So I get the water, just spray the edge of my hair to loosen up that gel that's already in there, to reactivate it. Just want to flip it. Then I get my Eco Strict gel. I have other gels, but I don't really think I use those. So yeah, we're not gonna get off into that. So I grab about this much, maybe. Y'all see it? Put it in my hair. I know, like, this side has a lot. And mind you, my hair is still sectioned off. This is the top, back. So I have this type brush. That one's a professional brush though. And this one is just a regular Walmart brush. And I have this brush. Don't really know what it's called. It's really, really hard. It may hurt your head. And I also have a comb, another comb, and an edge brush. So I'm gonna use this brush first. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna round my hair up. And this brush actually really does work a lot. It helps get all the naps and stuff out. Now I get this brush. And actually this brush is actually harder than this brush. I don't know. I guess because like the closer the bristles are, I guess. I need to clean these, but yeah. And then I'm gonna grab a bow. Doesn't really matter what color. You can use a rubber band if you want. So I have like these black ones, but they tend to like get loose and break. So I'm not gonna use that obviously because I don't want it to break in my hair. So we're gonna use this one, and this actually came from a pack from the dollar store. Yep. So I take the front part, make sure the back side does not get into it. So I'm gonna grab it, pull it through as tight as you can. And I knot mine a lot. Some people like theirs loose, but I like my front to be really tight. So then it looks like this. You just want to pull it to fix all the wrinkles in it. And my hair, like, kind of like, how do I say it? Curls up when gel touches it. So yeah, that's why it looks like that. So, see, the front's looking kind of yucky. We'll do that after we do the back side. You can kind of see where it was flat ironed at. But yeah, just want to take the bow off the back side. This was a rubber band, by the way. And take anything. Some people like to use edge control in the back. Me, I still use the gel and a little bit of edge control, but I don't think I'm going to do that today because I just don't feel like it. Yeah. You may need more gel on the back of your hair than the front of your hair. Just depends on how sleek you want it. And it also depends, but my hair is like flat on, like I told you guys, so I may need more gel for it to hold up because it's kind of like thin right now. Just going back in with my brush to get all the naps out. And like I said, you can just do one section. I do two. For the back, you can get a bow, rubber band. I think I'm gonna use a rubber band right now. See how slick my back looks? I actually don't tie the back as tight as I do the front. Don't know why, I just don't. Just want to pull it to make sure every side is even out. So I sort of got it evened out. Not really. But yeah. So the front, you can see my hair is like curling up. What I do is I go in with this edge control, Ease edge control gel. It has castor oil, extra strong hold, beauty supply store. I think it also has a red bottle. And there's bigger ones like this, but I didn't really think I needed a bigger one, but I actually do need a bigger one, so yeah. Just wanna, and this is really, really hard to pull out. Like a little bit comes out at a time. And this is gonna harden up the hair and get all those crinkles out. I mean, unless you want them, because some people like them. But me, I'm looking more for a, you know, nicer look. And I sometimes just do this to even it out. I take this brush and just go in with it. And see how it's like kind of going. This side is not cooperating right now, but yeah. So you got it. My hair, I wouldn't wear my hair like this, but some people do. No shame, I just don't. And I just want to tweeze it a little bit. As remember again, my hair is flat on, but now it looks blow dried. Because I'm actually in cosmetology class, and sometimes we have like days where girls get to do the other girls' hair. So I let another girls wash and blow dry my hair and flat iron it because she wanted to. So I said, why not? I mean, just gonna take a rubber band. Doesn't matter what color, honestly, and I just grab it like this and pull it over like this. And then you wanna do whatever you need to do to it. You can pull it down. I'm gonna pull mine down a little bit in the front, the back, side a little bit. Right. And for this back, I don't know what's wrong with it. And I recently did just cut my hair too. So that may be the reason why, because last night when I did my hair like this, I also had to put a bobby pin right here, because the way I cut my hair, it was just like trying something new. Bobby pins hurt, like I ain't about to lie, like they hurt. See, like my hair is just like not filling in the back. But yeah, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back in, fix that. This side still got a little crinkle in it. Fix that. And now I'm trying to debate what I want to do. If I want to grab the edge control or just use gel. I may just use gel. Since this is a tutorial, I'm not gonna waste my edge control because I'm not going anywhere. So what I do is I don't really do my edges like exotically or anything. When I wear my hair out like this, it's just something I don't do. And usually I don't have time to do. But pull some out and get maybe about this much of gel, maybe less, but how much you want to use. It depends on your hair texture, how it holds. And I'm gonna tell you, like, some of my friends can't use Eco Style, so I wouldn't recommend you to go out and buy it just because it works on my hair. You know, like, buy what you think works on your hair or what you already have. Doesn't really matter. I'm just showing you what I use. So first I start with the side. I just go like that easily. This side's always different from the other side. I don't know why. So then I start in the middle. And you can do your edges however you like them. And I recently dyed my hair like a month ago, so my edges are still kind of light because I had light in my hair too. So, and like when I first dyed it, you cannot see my edges at all. Like I was devastated. Like I looked so bald-headed. It wasn't even funny, and I regretted it. But kind of okay now. You can go back, fix them if you want to. Sometimes I also use a little eyebrow thing. Just your eyebrows. These I got from, I think it was Kohl's. You know, they have like a makeup section, or any makeup store where you can try makeup on. But yeah, this is the finishing look. Hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, and come back for the next video.